How to change Crunchyroll membership plan. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Crunchyroll application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the account option on the bottom right of your screen and then go ahead and tap on the membership option you see there. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the Go Premium option and then swipe left or right to explore the different type of subscriptions options that Crunchyroll offers. Once you have made your selection, tap on the Start Subscription button you see there and further follow the prompts to complete your payment process, and with this, your Crunchyroll membership plan will be changed. So this is how you can change Crunchyroll membership plan. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.